this pic right here, looking like it was shot with the most expensive camera in the world inside a luxurious studio, but I did it on my phone in a minute without spending a fortune. Sounds impossible. Watch this video till the end. Let me show you how you can transform your video in a seconds. We all know how expensive photographers can be. Weddings, birthday, graduation, those moments you cannot, redo. But here is the truth. You don't need to break the bank to make your memories look priceless. You can edit your pictures, your baby pictures, your wedding pictures by yourself using NanoBanana. Let's dive right in. NanoBanana is not just an editing app. It's like speaking a Hollywood studio into your pockets with just a few taps. It transforms any ordinary photo into something so polished, so dramatic, just the way you want it. Just give it a command. It will obey your command. It comes out straight out of a fashion magazine. Here is my story. Today is my birthday, so I decided to edit my own birthday pictures using this my picture. I just use these pictures. All you do is click on the link below this video. Once you get there, this is Whiskey AI, and NanoBanana is what we're using to generate image here. You can also use it to turn the image into video. So once you are here in Whiskey AI, once you click on the link below this video and get to Whiskey AI, all you do is tap on this icon. You upload your picture, your image, or image that you want to use as a reference image. Upload it into Whiskey AI. Are you seeing my two images here? This is the ones I uploaded. Okay, so once you upload it, it will now be using it as a reference image to generate any picture you want it to generate. Then you go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt based on what you want to generate. Ask it to give you varieties of prompts. You can even generate when you are lying down, when you are cooking, when you are parlor, luxurious parlor, in fancy places, in restaurants, whatever you can imagine, you can create. Okay? So just play around it and have fun with it. Okay? I created so many videos. Okay, just go to ChatGPT. This is the prompt I used in ChatGPT to create a variety of prompts. I just asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt I can use to edit my video in NanoBanana of a Nigerian woman, 29 going to 30 years old. Describe myself. That's all I did. And check out the about 7 versions of the prompt. The one I'm native attire, the one I'm English attire, the one different versions of the prompt. That is just what you want to achieve. So once you generate one, you paste your prompt here, generate that one. Once you are done generating it, you erase the prompt. Recently I am erasing this one. You erase the prompt so that you can go back, copy the next prompt, still with this your reference image, unless you want to change the image, just by using that your reference image. Now use your reference image with the command. Your command is your prompt. The prompt that you pasted, that is what is going to use. Are you seeing my images? Can you see my image? Did you know that people, my friends did not know that I used AI? They were asking me, when did you sew this dress? When did you do this? I love this dress. I love this. Send me this picture. The thing was, they really loved the picture. One of my friends that I know told me AI that I used to edit it. He said, are you serious? Show me how you did it. That's why I'm doing this video. So this video is for her, and I decided to post it so that everyone can benefit from it. This is Sleek AI. If you are someone that loves AI or you want to be using AI content creation or having fun, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. What do you think about these pictures and the video? Remember, you can turn your image to video to make it more fun and lively. Bye.